two. While we continue the dahan, while the guys fire the fireworks, please listen to me very, very carefully. Number one, please take your time leaving the mandir. There's no rush. The fireworks will continue. Obviously, the guys, Ravan's taking a little bit longer today, so there's no rush. Everyone, listen to me very carefully. Number two, on your way out, there's lots of hot tea, lots of bhajia, lots of chips. My last announcement for today, 11th of November is Diwali. We have not these fireworks, professional brand fireworks, which will be 20 minutes long, which will be at 8 o'clock in the evening. 8 o'clock on the 11th of November, brand fireworks. We have Lakshmi Pujan at 6:30 on Thursday 11th. On Wednesday 11th, on Thursday the 12th, we have Ankur Dasan. 6 o'clock in the morning will be the Ankur Dasan. The kids are heading out. I want to see a big round of applause to the drama crew here. Here we go. As you can see, Hanuman there was played by Mitesh. We call him a nickname called Jimmy. Thank you very much. He is available.